everybody, today I'm in front of my board. I feel very confident when I explain a lesson on it. Sometimes I call it my assistant. I feel very happy when you watch my video. You'll learn a new rule after you watch the video. I'll be very joyous after you watch my video. I said long sentences, complex sentences, containing two ingredients, and let me write one of them. You'll learn a new rule after you watch the video. I'm Jala from Speak Pure English and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna speak about time conjunctions, the conjunctions which express time: till, until, when, after, before, as, once, as soon as long as. These are time conjunctions. They can be used to connect an action or an event to a point in time. Here I have used two simple sentences. They are connected with the help of after, which is called a conjunction, subordinating conjunction. Here the independent part is an action. It expresses a complete thought, but the dependent part is time. It doesn't express a complete thought. And after is a conjunction which connects them. And as a result, we make a complex sentence. Use when, as soon as, once, when you talk about a specific point in time, when something happens or will happen. For example, I'll call you as soon as I get home. Use before, after, till, until, when you talk about the order of events in the past or future. For example, I'll leave here before she comes. Now let me give you other information. I will go to the party when I finish my work. Here, the first part of the sentence is the main part and we use the future simple tense form. We use will. But the time is future in the when part. But we don't use will. We use a present tense for the when part of the sentence. We do the same after the conjunctions till, until, after, before, as soon as long as, once. Don't use will after these conjunctions. Use a present tense for the future. We normally use the present simple for the future after these conjunctions. You will feel better after you take the medicine. Don't say, you will feel better after you will take the medicine. Don't use will. You can also change the places of the parts. Instead of saying, I will go to the party when I finish my work, you can say, when I finish my work, I will go to the party. I will say everything about it when I see him. When I see him, I will say everything about it. I will go out as soon as the rain stops. As soon as the rain stops, I will go out. I will feel very happy when I see you again. Keep on learning English with me. Take care.